Hello everyone, welcome to the session. So today is the part 3 where I will discuss about the problems from question number 14 up to 14 to 16, 14, 15 and 16, and also the questions of the exercise of linear inequality, that is exercise 6.1, the questions 9 and 10. So let's proceed. The first one is question number 14. We are given that 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than equal 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. To find the value of x, that is for real of x. Here I will multiply 8 inside this bracket, then 8x and minus it will become plus 8 into 3, 24. Again we will remove this bracket now, minus 3x minus 5 greater than equal 9x minus, and 9x minus 8x is nothing but x only, plus 24. Now here 37 minus 5 will be plus 32, minus 3x is greater than equal x plus 24. Since we need to find the value of x, therefore 32 minus 3x plus 3x, we add 3x on both sides, then we will get, here this cancels out, 32 is greater than equal 3x plus x, 4x plus 24. Now 4x plus 24 is less than equal 32, and finally 4x is less than equal 8, right? If we subtract minus 32 on both sides, then it will become 4x less than equal 32 minus 24, that is 8. Now dividing by positive 4 on both sides, we get x less than equal 2. So this is the solution, but we have to find the value of x, for real value of x. Therefore, for real x, the solution will be since the value is less than or equal to 2, therefore 2 close interval, comma minus infinity open interval, since the values are less than these two. So for real value of x, the solution of this inequality 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than equal 9x minus 8 into x minus 3 will be the solution, that is minus infinity comma 2 close interval. Now question number 15, that is x by 4 is less than 5x by minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. We need to solve the value of x for real value. First of all, we take LCM on right hand side, so it becomes LCM of 3 and 5 will be 15. Then we multiply 5 with this term. 5 into 5x, 25x, minus 5 into 2, 10, minus 7. Now we multiply 3 with this term, 7x minus 3 into 3, then 7x into 3, it will become minus of 21x, again minus plus, and 3 into 3, 9. So 25x minus 21x, the result will be 4x, and minus 10 plus 9, it will become minus 1. Now we cross multiply these parts, x into 15 and 4 into this part. 15x is less than 4 into 4x, 16x minus 4. Now 15x minus 16x less than 16x minus 4 minus 16x. To balance this given inequality, we subtract by minus 16x on both sides. So here it will be minus x less than minus 4. Now there is a rule in the linear inequality that if we multiply or divide by negative numbers, then the sign of this given inequality gets reversed. So to make this x positive, we need to multiply by minus 1 on both sides. According to these rules, the sign becomes reversed. So less than becomes greater than. Finally, x is greater than plus 4. So the solution for this linear inequality, question number 15, is the solution is x is greater than 4. For real x, the solution will be what? Since the values are greater than 4, therefore 4 to plus infinity, but since this is strictly greater than, therefore open interval comes here. So the real solution for this inequality will be open interval 4 to plus infinity. Right? Is this clear to you? These questions are all same. Question number 14, 15, 16, 19, all these are same because we have applied only the rules of linear inequalities to solve the value of x, that is to get the solution. So these are very basic. In the same way, proceeding to the next question, that is question number 16, twice x minus 1 divided by 3 is greater than this part. Since these two terms are different, therefore I take LCM of 4 and 5, then it will become 20, and multiplying this term into 5, that is 5 into 3x, 15x, minus 5 into 2, 10, again 4 into this term, so minus 4 into 2, 8, minus minus plus 4 into x, 4x. Now cross multiplying the terms, twice x minus 1 into 20, 40x minus 20 greater than equal. Now 15x plus 4x, that means 19x, and 18 into 3. 40x minus 20 greater than equal. 19 into 3, 57x, minus 18 into 3, 54, right? Since we need to find the value of x only, therefore again balancing this given inequality, we subtract both sides by 40x. Then this cancels out, remaining minus 20 is greater than equal 57x minus 40x, that means 17x minus 54. Again minus 20 plus 54 greater than equal 17x minus 54 plus 54. That means we add plus 54 on both sides to balance this inequality. Then it becomes 17x is less than equal what? 34. 17x is less than equal 34, and it is nothing but x is less than equal 2. 17 divides 17 into 2, 34, therefore x less than equal to So for real value of x, the solution is minus infinity close interval 2. So this is the solution for this question 16. So 15, 16 and 14 are done. Then next is question number 9. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3. These are less than 11. Then to solve for x. Again, taking LCM of these three terms, we get 6. Then 6x plus 3x plus 2x less than equal to 11. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11x. Dividing both sides by 11, positive 11. 11x by 6 into 11 less than 11 by 11. Then x divided by 6 is less than 1. But we need the solution for x, therefore cross multiplying we get x is less than 6. So for real x, the solution is, since the values are less 6, therefore 6 open interval minus infinity comma 6. So this is the solution for question number 9. Now proceeding to the next question, that is question number 10. That is x by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. So again taking LCM on the right hand side, the LCM is 2 and then x plus 2. Now we will cross multiply, then it will become twice x greater than 3 into whole x plus 2, or twice x greater than 3x plus 6, or twice x minus twice x greater than 3x plus 6 minus 2x. That is 0 is greater than 3x minus 2x becomes x plus 6. I hope this is clear, because on both sides I am subtracting 6 to balance this inequality, and then it becomes minus 6 greater than x plus 6 minus 6. And this is nothing but minus 6 is greater than x, or we can write x is less than minus 6. So for real x, solution is, since the values are less minus 6, therefore minus 6 open interval minus infinity comma minus 6. So this is the solution for question number 10, that is x by 3 is greater than x by 2 plus 1. So these are the questions on this session, and in the next session we will discuss about the linear inequalities which we need to show in graphical method, that is to show on the number line, because linear inequalities in one variable and their graphical representation is always done on number line. So till then, keep watching these videos and take care.